everyone, this is the recorded video for week 8 day 2. Please note that there is no video for week 8 day 1 this week since we have an adjusted schedule due to Memorial Day. Now let's take a look at our announcement. We will continue to have office hour Wednesday 1 to 2 p.m. You can join us in our regular Zoom link. For our upcoming events in June. Today is June 2nd. These 2 weeks will wrap up our unit on climate change by talking about the solutions for climate change and what we can do to help with climate change. You have 1 more week to complete all your late, missing, and makeup work. I'll be taking them until June 9th. Next week, you will also have a chance to take a look at behind the scenes for an Amazon Fulfillment Center. On the 14th, we'll have a virtual field trip from San Diego Zoo after school from 1:15 to 2:15 p.m. With that, today our activity is to calculate your ecological footprint, and I'll also be introducing the last assignment that you complete this year. My first question for you is, how many Earth do you think we will need if everyone lives the same way as us? What do you think? 1, 2, 3, or more? You'll be calculating this in our next website. Please click on this website in the description below. When you click on this website, you're going to click right here, take the first step. Some of the questions may be more challenging than the others, so answer them to the best of your ability. After you finish, you do not need to put in your email. You can just click skip to view my results. Go ahead and pause the video right now and calculate your ecological footprint. What do you get? What is your personal Earth overshoot day? How many Earth do we need if everyone lives the same way as you? How do you feel when you take a look at that? Were you shocked? Worried? Inspired? How do you feel? Let's take a look right here. You can see that as we take a look at the world, there are many countries that are using more resources than the Earth provides. This makes us want to think about that what can we do? Renewable energy is a big part of the solutions and what we can do. This is also a way to combat climate change. Walking, taking the bike, carpooling, there are ways that we can help with climate change. Cutting down food waste is also another important part that we can think about. With that, let me introduce you to our last assignment of the year. In this assignment, you get to choose one of the formats to complete. You can either complete a postcard, text message, an Instagram post. If you have another idea that is not included, let me know and we can double check before you get started. Now, in the format that you have, you are going to include the following information. Number 1, explain how climate change nowadays is different from the climate change in the past. Explain how greenhouse gas affects our climate. Include at least 2 impacts of climate change, 2 or more solutions of climate change, and 2 or more pictures of graphs relating to climate change. Let's take a look at where you can find this assignment. In your Google Classroom, click on Classwork, go down to where they say Week 8 Climate Change Solutions. Can you see the requirement we went over just now? There are also different reference material you can use, and we visit this website before as well. The first one, A Student Guide to Global Climate Change. We read this article before and we did an assignment on this. Feel free to revisit this website as you're gathering your information. NASA Climate Kits. This one right here talks about greenhouse effects. We've watched this video before as well. You can take a look at more information. Last but not least, there's two videos on National Geographic. The first one is a shorter version of the video that we watched on Bill 9. This one is called Climate Change 101 by Bill 9. And there's also this one right here that we watched last time, Causes and Effects of Climate Change. Both of them are by National Geographic. So if you're not sure where to start, go ahead and think about what is the template that you want to use. Do you want to do a postcard, text message, or Instagram post? And then you can start researching some of this information. Please know you'll be given time to complete it in the next 2 to 3 class. Alright, with that, let me know if you have other questions. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.